Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Lemon Squeezy for US digital checkout setup step by step clearly. To activate Lemon Squeezy for your US digital checkout setup, follow these steps. First, visit the Lemon Squeezy website. Create an account if you don't have one already. Log in to your account. Once you're logged in, go to the dashboard. Locate the Settings tab on the left side of the screen. Click on Settings to open the configuration options. From the Settings menu, select Payment Methods. You'll see a list of available payment options. Choose the Add Payment Method button. Select the option for US digital payments. Fill in the required information, including bank details and tax information. Make sure to review all the terms and conditions before proceeding. After filling in the information, click Save. Next, navigate to the Products tab. Choose the product you want to set up for checkout. Click on the product to edit its settings. Scroll down to the Checkout Settings section. Enable the Lemon Squeezy checkout option for your product. Adjust any specific checkout options as needed. Once you've made your adjustments, click Save Changes. Now, go to the Links tab on your dashboard. Copy the checkout link generated for your product. Share this link with your customers to start selling. After completing these steps, Lemon Squeezy will be activated for your US digital checkout setup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.